What's going on, guys? It's Smashmoto here, and today you see I got my bike out here. We're going to do a mod install. As you can tell from the title of it, you can tell it's going to be the bar ends. I'm getting rid of these ugly freaking... It's so tight now. Oh, I fixed it. I'm a handy man, dude. These pieces... I just want to break it off. Alright, sweet. Okay, well, so first what you want to do is you want to take off these mirrors. It's like a... I don't know, it's some socket. And I don't know why mine are sitting over here. Let me grab it. I'm pretty sure it's a... I don't know NA metric shit, whatever they're called. I think it's a 14 or it's 11/16. 11/16, because I'm feeling lucky 11 right now. Basically, you just take this wrench. You take this bolt right here. And you crack that bad boy loose. Just like that. Whew! Did y'all see that? I don't think you did. Come in here real quick. It's pretty simple. I mean, if you're not an idiot, you know how to use a wrench. Focus. Just loosen it up just like that. But we're just gonna, leave that hole there because these things are ugly. I would throw it, but I might need these mirrors again. So we'll set them here for now. Am I doing that right? Lefty? What? Soaking. I don't know what to do here. Alright guys, well I'm gonna pause this for a quick moment. I gotta figure this out. Whew. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I busted my finger. Busted up, but as you can see, it looks like I got it off, but no. I got the mirror part off. This part's still in there. Alright, there we go. Oh, look at all that beautiful foam. You can legit get, I got these on Amazon for like 11 bucks, so. This part's still off, but unfortunately WD-40 wouldn't do the job. But this is the next day later. I finally found an Allen key that I needed. This lighting is awful, guys. I'm sorry. 8mm Allen, which I'm pretty sure I had, but I just went to go pick up a new set. So hopefully, let's pray to God, this will bring it right off. It should not be this hard to do this stuff, guys. Just saying. There we go. Oh, right around. Ooh, she's grimy. I'm gonna screw in, honestly. There we go. Now it's going. It's going. There it is. Look at that. And we just tighten her up. And just adjust it. That's pretty much everything there is to it. So we're gonna hop up here. This one first, which I want up a little higher, but right there. Right there, and this point we want there we go. I'll take it out here and give you all a little view of what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cool, honestly. It gives it more of a style instead of those big two mirrors. Look at the difference. You can see instead of those two big huge things, other than that little post still sitting there, I'm gonna have someone take that off. I'll have some help. Other than that, we just got that little tiny mirror there, and it cleans up the bike a lot more. We'll take it outside and get a couple panoramics of it, or views.